After a month of hands-on experience with the 11-inch M3 iPad Air, it's evident that Apple has made significant strides in refining its mid-tier tablet. While the design remains familiar, the internal enhancements position this device as a formidable contender in the tablet market. Design and display, familiar yet functional. The M3 iPad Air retains the sleek aluminum chassis of its predecessor, offering a premium feel in a lightweight package. Available in both 11-inch and 13-inch models, the device caters to users seeking portability or a larger workspace. The Liquid Retina display delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, though it maintains a 60 Hz refresh rate. While this may be sufficient for many, users accustomed to the 120's display on the iPad Pro might notice the difference. Performance, the M3 advantage. At the heart of the new iPad Air lies the M3 chip, built on a 3nm process. This advancement translates to a 15 to 20% performance boost over the M2 chip, enhancing multitasking capabilities and overall responsiveness. Whether you're editing photos, streaming content, or engaging in graphic-intensive tasks, the M3 chip ensures smooth and efficient operation. Reddit, Tom's Guide, battery life, enduring power. Battery longevity is a critical factor for tablet users, and the M3 iPad Air doesn't disappoint. Users can expect up to 10 hours of usage on a single charge, depending on their activities. This endurance makes it a reliable companion for work, study, or entertainment throughout the day. Accessories and ecosystem integration. The M3 iPad Air is compatible with the latest Apple accessories, including the Apple Pencil Pro and the redesigned Magic Keyboard. These additions enhance productivity, transforming the tablet into a versatile tool for creatives and professionals alike. The Magic Keyboard, in particular, offers a comfortable typing experience and integrates seamlessly with the iPad's functionality. Software experience, iPadOS 18.4. Running on iPadOS 18.4, the M3 iPad Air benefits from Apple's continuous software improvements. Features like Stage Manager, enhanced multitasking, and improved file management elevate the user experience, bridging the gap between tablet and laptop functionalities. The Guardian, The Verge, comparative analysis, iPad Air M3 versus iPad Pro M4. While the iPad Pro M4 boasts superior specifications, including a 120 Hz OLED display and Face ID, the M3 iPad Air offers a compelling balance of performance and value. For users who prioritize efficiency and cost-effectiveness without compromising on essential features, the iPad Air M3 stands out as a prudent choice. Conclusion, a worthy investment. After a month of extensive use, the M3 iPad Air proves to be a robust and reliable device. Its combination of performance, battery life, and accessory support makes it suitable for a wide range of users, from students to professionals. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of the iPad Pro, it delivers where it counts, solidifying its position as a top-tier tablet in its category.